In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook. I will share with you guys new method that you should start using if you want to earn some commission. I will share with you new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Facebook and a lot and so much more. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to make money with affiliate marketing, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how we can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. So let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr profile, in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. And here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name and your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, it's a really super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Facebook, and I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do next, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, go back to this Fiverr homepage and click over here on the search and search for video editing. Okay, search for video editing. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, let's choose for example one of those sellers. So for example, like this one is top rated seller, this one is really good, this one also is good, it's level 2 seller. Okay, let's choose, I will choose for example this one. Okay, level 2 seller. Okay, I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy this seller profile link, okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay, like this, and click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. So just open your Facebook homepage like this, it's super easy. Okay, click on the search for YouTube. Okay, search for YouTube and click on the search. You have here filters, scroll down over here and click on groups because we need Facebook groups, and here you go, you will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups, okay? So let's check, for example, this group. So just after you join all those groups, you can choose any group that you want and you will be directly in this home page. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who have YouTube channels and they are putting their YouTube videos links here to get more subscribers and grow their YouTube channels, get more views and more subscribers. Okay, that's why they are putting their YouTube videos links here. Okay, if you scroll down, you will find a lot of people here who are sharing their YouTube videos links. Okay, as you can see, so those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, like this one, they will be interested to buy this service to get a video editor that will edit their YouTube videos and make those videos more professional and more engaging. Okay, so what you will do, let's go back to this group, click over here on write something, okay, and you will create a public post. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page and scroll down. So you have here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, copy this part. So I will copy this one like this, and they will go back to Facebook and they will put this description here. Do you want your YouTube or Facebook videos on your trending page? I have been a YouTuber and video editor since 27, and from my experience working with that's a really a good description. Okay, I will just delete this one or Facebook because I want just to show to people just about YouTube. Do you want? Okay, it's really good, and I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and they will copy my affiliate link from here. They will go to Facebook again and they will put my affiliate link here, okay, like this. And here you go. After you finish, click on post and your post will be published in this group, and people who has YouTube channels and they are serious about YouTube and they want to grow their YouTube channels, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, this editor will give those people a good editing service to make their videos more engaging and more professional, so people will enjoy watching their YouTube videos. Okay, and that's it. So, and make sure to join a lot of Facebook groups and post your affiliate links on a lot of Facebook groups so you can earn commission. Okay, if you can also use this method. So for example, like this one, I can go and click on his name and I click on message and I can ask this person if he is interested to grow his YouTube channel, and if he is interested or looking for a video editor that will edit his YouTube videos, make them more engaging, more professional, and he will get more views on YouTube and more subscribers. Okay, and that's it. And if he is interested, I will send him my affiliate link, and that's it. You just need to talk with those people and join a lot of Facebook groups, and you can earn commission. Okay, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.